Here in Wisconsin, voters are going to the polls today. They will ultimately decide the outcome of the state Supreme Court race. They say, Susan, this could be the most consequential election in the country this year.
And that race is between candidates Daniel Kelly and Janet Protasiewicz. That race is one of the most watched across the country because of issues such as abortion. And NBC News correspondent Shaquille Brewster is in Milwaukee following today's election. He joins us live now from Gordon Park Pavilion on the city's east side.
Hey, Shaq, thanks for joining us this afternoon on a very busy election day. What is it about this race that has, honestly, you here covering a state Supreme Court race?
Hi there, Steve and Susan. Well, really, it's about the national implications of this race. People talk about it in the context of the protection of democracy. They talk about it in terms of redistricting and what you're seeing here in Wisconsin. And you see a reflection of it with the outenormous spending that we've been seeing in this race. You know, one thing that we continue to see, this court will take up challenges dealing with election laws. It will take up any challenges to future presidential elections. So that is what has a lot of people outside of Wisconsin paying attention to what voters do here tonight. But I'll tell you, the conversations I've been having with the Wisconsin voters, the issue that's been top of mind is the abortion issue. You know, right now the procedure is currently banned statewide after the overturning of Roe, and that has been an animating issue for so many voters. Listen to some of those conversations. Why did you come out to vote this morning?
Because I believe for like women's rights for like abortion.
That was your top issue in this race?
That was my top, because I have a daughter, you know, and she should have a right, if anything happened to her, you know, to have an abortion, you know.
Is this the Supreme Court race? Is this a race you would normally come out and vote in?
No, but Kelly, his ideals are just not right for us, you know, so, you know, I want to see her win.
This is a Supreme Court spring election. Is this an election you would normally come out for?
Kind of depends on the year, but this year it seemed especially important to get out and make sure.
What made this year different?
Just how kind of like polarized everything is.
This is officially a nonpartisan election. There's no party identification with the candidates, but when you look at who's supporting each candidate, it becomes very clear which side of the aisle, which side of the ideological spectrum they fall on. That is also going to be a test nationally for other states that have elected Supreme Court justices. They're watching to see if the power of the money, the power of the messaging, if that can transfer and translate in other parts of the country. Guys?
NBC News correspondent Shaquille Brewster did his homework before he came to Milwaukee. He brought gloves and a hat. When you come here in April, you better dress for it. Shaq, thank you so much.
Always ready.
For joining us this afternoon.
Hope you have time for a cheese curd or two before you leave. Thanks, Shaquille.